Discover the top 5 Claude scripts that can significantly boost your DevOps efficiency. These scripts are vital for automating repetitive tasks and enhancing team productivity. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that Claude Scripts can automate up to 70% of your DevOps tasks? Today, we're diving into the top 5 scripts that can transform your workflow and skyrocket your productivity. Stick around to learn how to implement these powerful tools in your setup.
Automated backup scripts are essential for any DevOps team. They ensure that your data is always secure and recoverable, minimizing the risk of data loss. In this section, we'll explore a Claude script designed for automated backups. We'll cover everything from setup to scheduling regular backups. This script is perfect for ensuring that your data is always safe, allowing for quick recovery in case of hardware failures or other disasters.
System monitoring is crucial for maintaining a healthy infrastructure. A good monitoring script can track vital metrics like CPU usage, memory load, and network traffic. This block will explain how to use a Claude script for monitoring your systems effectively. You'll learn how to customize it to fit your specific needs, integrate it with existing tools, and set up alerts to notify you of potential issues before they escalate.
Logs are a treasure trove of information. They can help you identify trends, troubleshoot issues, and even improve security. In this section, we'll delve into a Claude script designed for effective log analysis. We'll guide you through setting up the script, interpreting log data, and using it to enhance your troubleshooting and security processes. By the end, you'll be able to leverage logs to gain valuable insights into your systems. Resource scaling is vital for ensuring your infrastructure can handle increasing demand without breaking the bank. This block will explore a Claude script that automates resource scaling. You'll learn how to dynamically adjust resources based on traffic, optimize costs, and prevent downtime during traffic spikes. We'll also share real-world examples of how companies use this script to maintain smooth operations and customer satisfaction.
Security is a critical concern for any DevOps team. Regular audits can help identify vulnerabilities and strengthen your defenses. In this part, we'll discuss a Claude script that automates security audits. This script can identify potential weaknesses, generate detailed reports, and suggest improvements. Implementing regular security checks with this script will help protect your systems from threats and ensure compliance with industry standards. Every DevOps environment is unique, and customization is key to maximizing the utility of scripts. Here, we'll guide you through the process of customizing Claude scripts to fit your specific needs. You'll learn how to adjust script parameters, tailor scripts to particular tasks, and ensure everything works perfectly through testing and debugging. We'll also share tips to make customization smoother and more efficient. Seeing is believing. In this segment, we'll showcase real-world applications of Claude scripts in various DevOps environments. From small startups to large enterprises, these scripts have transformed workflows and boosted efficiency. We'll share success stories, challenges faced, and innovative use cases that highlight the versatility of Claude scripts. You'll also learn valuable lessons from teams who have effectively implemented these scripts in their operations. Implementing Claude scripts effectively requires more than just technical know-how. In this final block, we'll share best practices to ensure successful implementation. You'll learn how to avoid common pitfalls, develop continuous improvement strategies, and foster collaboration and communication within your team. We'll also provide tips for ensuring long-term success and maximizing the benefits of using Claude scripts in your DevOps processes. Thanks for watching. We've covered a lot today, from automated backups to security audits. Now it's your turn to implement these scripts and transform your DevOps processes. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let us know which script you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe for more DevOps tips and tricks. Until next time, happy scripting!